Hello everyone, today I will show how to resolve an issue on your WordPress website. When you click in any link, page or blog post, and if it redirects into a 404 page not found error, you can fix it different way. But I am going to show you the best way to fix it today. So let's get started. You can see I am trying to visit this page service and it shows 404. Sorry, page was not found. Now I want to fix it. So go to the admin dashboard. Just scroll down, then you can see settings, hover over on it and click on Permalinks. You can see permalink structure, post name is selected. I want to fix 404 error, so I have to reset the permalink. That is why click on plain, then again select post name, scroll down and save changes. Then again reload this page. Then you can see the problem has been solved and service page link is working. Thanks for watching the video.